Welcome back, guys. N.R.T here, another episode. So, our good friends, our good supporter of the channel, Benchmark Abrasives, sent N.R.T another box of stuff. So, we're going to go ahead and open it up. Benchmark Abrasives specializes in fabrication equipment, grinding wheels, flap disc, burrs, grinder hoods, respirators, welding helmets. Put a link in the description to their website. You can go check them out. They got tons of cool stuff. So, okay, the first thing on the list is a brass brush. This is good for wiring to get those terminals nice and clean. And this is their, go ahead and open this up. I hear the Union Pacific. So, got stickers. I hear going down the track. So this is a Benchmark Abrasive full saw kit. We're going to use this on the tail light on 250. Hold on a minute. Don't want to be talking. Okay, I'll continue. So I also got a bunch of really thin grinding wheels, 3-inch cut-off disc. Every size they basically make, and 3-inch, and different grinding wheels and different thicknesses are good for different types of projects. So, good shout out to Benchmark Abrasives for sending this all out. So I'm just grinding wheels out of here. What's in here? Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.